Hi guys! Have you ever tried bok choy? Well, today I have a super simple recipe for you, so it's time to try it out. It's something really quick and easy to cook, and you can serve it with some rice or some couscous or bulgur, or you can eat it as it is or as a side to any meal that you like. So let's get started with the recipe. Before you start prepping the bok choy, you want to wash it well and check for any yellow leaves. So if you have any leaves that are turning yellow, then just remove those. And then you want to wash it well, and you want to wash in between as well, because the sand is often there. And then we want to prep the garlic, so just peeling it and then just slicing finely. Also, I'm using some chili, so I'm just gonna use half of this. Don't want to add too much spice, and then I'm also gonna slice the chili. You could also remove the seeds if you want. And then the last thing to prep is the bok choy, so I like to remove a little bit from the ends and then just half them. You could also quarter them. I like them like this, so I'm just gonna half each one. So, and then we can start with the cooking. And then I have a big pan here heating over medium heat, and once it's warm, you want to cover the bottom with olive oil. And then we can add in the garlic and the chili. And keep the heat medium and mix it in. And we're just gonna give them a couple of minutes just so they start to release the flavors. And then in a couple of minutes you will notice the garlic is getting a little bit color, and it should really smell beautiful. So it's releasing the aroma. The same with the chili. That means we can add in the bok choy. I like to add it the cut part down. And I'm just gonna give it a couple of minutes, still keeping the heat medium, just to brown it from the cut side a little bit. And while you're cooking, keep on checking how it's looking, so still needs a little bit. And then once it has a little bit of color, so you don't really want to fry them too much, so some might have a little bit more, and these greens are getting softer. That's when I'm gonna turn off the heat, and I'm adding 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and also some freshly ground black pepper. And then I just want to cover it up and remove it from heat and allow it to sit for 5 to 10 minutes before serving. And then after those 5 to 10 minutes, depending on how soft you like the bok choy, it is ready for serving, and I'm just gonna plate it. And I also want to add the chili, the garlic on top. as that will add also some flavor. So not just during cooking, but also for serving. And then some of that soy sauce. And then the last thing you can add, if you like, is a little bit of sesame seeds. And then you can serve it as it is, or with a side of rice, or with whatever you would like. So that was easy, right? It's really easy to make and quick to make, and even though it's just greens, it's really delicious and flavorful. I really enjoy eating it just with some rice, because I don't know, I just like the flavor of the bok choy with a little bit of garlic and chili and soy sauce. So I really love the combination, and I hope you are also gonna like it and try it out. If you enjoyed this simple recipe, you know what to do. Don't forget that thumbs up for support. And if you're new to my channel, then you can subscribe right now, and if you tap the bell, you won't miss any of my new videos. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye until next time.